Trendy diets come and go. They might work for a while, counting your calories or points, cleanses and fasts. You'll see some short-term benefits, but when your lifestyle changes, it won't work anymore and you'll have to start over. ZEN Project 8 is a complete nutrition system, your simple and realistic solution for taking charge of your health. ZEN Body products are a vital part of the ZEN Project 8 system and work in harmony to help you make long-term change. Both the products and system help you nurture your body through 3 distinct phases: detox your body, ignite your metabolism, and thrive every day. Our flagship shakes are made of both slow-digesting micellar casein proteins and fast-absorbing whey protein for more balanced absorption. The slow-digesting proteins exclusive to Jeunesse control the release of amino acids over a longer period of time, so you feel satisfied longer. We created ZEN Prime as the ultimate detox formula. Using traditional herbs and modern botanical nutrients, ZEN Prime works throughout your entire digestive system thanks to its impressive pH stability. Our blend uses milk thistle seed, the gold standard for detoxification, dandelion root and juniper berry, which have long been used in traditional herbal medicine. ZEN Shape contains Well-Trim, a highly effective weight management nutraceutical ingredient that represents a new approach to supporting both weight loss and metabolic wellness. Well-Trim IG is based on the patented clinically tested extract of African mango, which was developed by Dr. Julius Oben, a world-renowned expert on obesity and metabolic syndrome. Well-Trim IG supports health and wellness via unique properties that improve the function of leptin, a key hormone that regulates appetite, thermogenesis, and weight loss. ZEN Fit was created to supplement the nutritional gap in our diets. Amino acids are the building blocks of muscle, and our body needs support from essential amino acids to protect from muscle deterioration. Conveniently packaged for on-the-go, in-between meal support, ZEN Fit comes in 2 great-tasting flavors, which are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. The powerful ZEN Body line is sourced from science, designed for results, created for you. See the change you want to make. The complete line of ZEN Body products, only from Jeunesse.